गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। दिस इज फरहान खान बिफोर यू। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक जिसका नाम है लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक दैट्स नेम इज लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला। हाउ द लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला कैन बी derived. So we will see the derivation of lens maker formula. Let's see. Lens maker formula. We will see its derivation. How the lens maker formula can be derived? It's very easy to derive the formula for the lens maker. You know, first we will discuss about the convex lens. It is a double convex lens. Firstly, we consider the double convex lens in which light is coming from point A. We give the name here P1 and P2, and here A, and here it is B. It is a double convex lens. Here it is P1 and P2. First we will consider the surface A P1B. After that we will consider A P2B. Okay. Firstly, the light is going from here to here. Consider. We consider which surface? Firstly, considering the surface AP1B. We are considering the surface AP1B. Since it is a double convex lens, firstly we are considering the surface AP1B. Light is going from here O point and it is right to the surface A. अगर ये सरफेस ना होता तो लाइट मेरा यहां पे कहीं पे मिलता, लेकिन ये सरफेस है, एक और सरफेस है जिस वजह से इसका इमेज कैसा फॉर्म हुआ? इट्स वर्चुअल इमेज दैट इज I1 is formed. I1 is the virtual image is formed because light is going O to A. Due to the surface AP2B, the virtual image is formed. So firstly, considering the surface AP1B. Now see here. OP1 is the object distance. How we can able to derive the formula for the lens maker? The derivation of lens maker is only possible if you know the formula for the refraction. You must have the knowledge of refraction formula. So, by using refraction formula. What is refraction formula? That is N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal to N2 minus N1 by R. It is a refraction formula. N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal to N2 minus N1 by R. Since we have to use the refraction formula in order to derive the lens maker formula, N2 means refractive index, N1 means refractive index of first medium, N2 means refractive index of second medium, and R is the radius of curvature. Since we are considering the surface AP1B, you can see here from the figure, you can easily write OP1 is the object distance. OP1 is the object distance. So you will consider OP1 as a U. OP1 as a U. And P1I1 is the image distance, that is V. Suppose the radius of curvature r is equal to r1. Since we are taking the first surface AP1B, we consider r is equal to r1. OP1U, P1I1, V. P1I1 is the V. Light is going. Here it is air, and here it is medium. Here it is air, here it is medium. The light is going from air to the medium. Air to the medium is it is the curved surface medium. Curved surface medium. So light we can take here N1 as 1 and N2 as N. N2 is refractive index of 1, that is air. We know the refractive index of air is 1, N1 is 1, N2 is N. We can easily put this value in equation 1. Suppose this is equation 1. You can easily put this value in equation 1. By putting this value in equation 1, this value we have to put in equation 1, we can get the equation 1 form. Since N2 equal to N, and here V equal to P1I1. V equal to P1I1 minus N1 equal to 1 and U equal to OP1 is equal to N2 minus N1 by R. N2 is N1 is 1 and R is 1. See, very clear. First, what we consider the surface AP1. Light is going from O to A. We consider AP1 its virtual image I1 is formed. By using the refraction formula, N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal to N2 minus N1 by R. N2 means refractive index. From the figure को देखते हुए OP1 is the object distance, P1I1 is the its image V. R is equal to R1, N1 is equal to 1, N2 is equal to N. This value we have put in equation 1. By putting this value in equation 1, we get N2 is equal to N by P1I1 minus 1 upon OP1 is equal to N2 is N minus 1 upon R1. R is the radius of curvature. This is the, we consider this equation 2. Okay? This is the result. Equation 1 is the refraction formula. Equation 1 is the refraction formula, and we get the result by taking the surface AP1B. Okay? Now, again, the surface. Now, considering the surface considering the surface AP to B, we are considering the surface AP to B. If we are considering the surface AP to B, let's see, its real image is formed, that is I, which is real, and it is the actual image. यही मेरा actual image है ना? क्योंकि अगर हमने सरफेस AP2B को कंसीडर किया तो मुझे क्या मिला? रियल इमेज I, और AP1B को किया तो क्या मिला? I1. A1 is very important point आपको समझना है. जो पहले का इमेज डिस्टेंस होगा वो दूसरे का ऑब्जेक्ट होगा, क्योंकि लेंस बहुत थिन है. लेंस इज वेरी थिन. जो पहले का इमेज डिस्टेंस है वो दूसरे का ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस है. It means now we are considering the surface AP to be P1I1 is equal to, it will be equal to P2I1. जो मेरा क्या है? जो मेरा हो जाएगा आपका ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस. क्या हो जाएगा? ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस. and P2I is equal to V, जो मेरा क्या हो जाएगा? इमेज डिस्टेंस. r बराबर r2 और n1 क्योंकि ये सरफेस से आ रहा है तो n1 हो जाएगा n और n2 हो जाएगा 1। कोई दिक्कत? वेरी इजी। If we are considering the surface AP to be P1I1 is equal to P2I1 U, P2I is V, R is equal to R2, N1 बराबर 1 and N2 is equal to N. N2 is equal to N. Why N1 is N? Because it is coming from the surface, and from the surface it is going to the air. So N2 will be equal to 1. Okay. Again we are putting this value in the equation 1, which is diffraction formula. So again we can also put this value इसमें, इस वाले को मैं हटा रहा हूँ। ओके, इसी में मैं पुट कर दे रहा हूँ because it is the refraction formula। ये हमारा क्या है? रिफ्रैक्शन फॉर्मूला। इसी में फिर हम लोग क्या करेंगे? वापस से पुट कर देंगे। ओके, P1I1 is equal to P2I1, that is N2 by V is P2I minus N1 is N, again P1 U is P1I1 is equal to P2I1. Here it is P1I1, here it is P1I1, so we can, it's better to write P1I1 is equal to N2 is 1 and N1 is N, and the radius of curvature is equal to R2. Okay, it is equation 2, and we can also take this value as equation 3. It's very easy. So you take this value as equation 3. Okay, so now first we have considered the surface AP1B. We get the result this. Again we consider the surface AP2B. We get the result this way. We get the result this. In both terms we have used this very formula, that is refraction formula. N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal to N2 minus N1 by R. In both the terms we have used the refraction formula. So we will add equation 2 and equation 3. So what we will say now is very easy. Okay, na? P1I1. If we are considering AP2B, P2I is the image because the real form, and P1I1 is equal to P2I1, that is U. N1 is equal to N because it is coming from the surface, and N2 is equal to 1. This value we have put in this value, that is refraction formula, and we get the result this. Okay. Now let's see again. It's very easy to solve this very thing. We will add the equation 2 and equation 3. Now what we will do? We will add with equations 2 and the equation 3, and finally we get the result. How we can able to solve this Lesch-Meger formula? It's very important for the board examination. In any boards, this formula always came for the derivations. Now considering the surface N2 by P2I minus N by P1I1 is equal to 1 minus N by R2. Since N2 is equal to 1 because it is passing from surface to the air, we can write 1 up to P2I minus N. P1I1 is equal to 1 minus N upon R2. We consider it equation 3. We consider the equation 3, which is equation 2, it is equation 3. Now, adding equation 2 and equation 3. By adding equation 2 and equation 3, this will be cancelled. This will be cancelled to this. The equation 1 will be 1 upon P2I minus 1 upon OP1 is equal to, it will be very easy, N minus 1 will be common, 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2 the equation which is 1 upon P2i minus 1 upon P1 is equal to n minus 1 into 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. This is the equation. But for the length के लिए क्या होता है? For the length, so we can write here for the length u बराबर माइनस इंफिनिटी, अगर u बराबर माइनस इंफिनिटी होगा तो v बराबर कितना होगा? f होगा. For the length u बराबर, अगर u is equal to minus infinity, v is equal to f. This is the equation. See here, this is the equation. It is the equation 3. It was equation 2. By adding this, we got the that. Now let's see here what we did. 1 upon P2i. P2i is image distance. 1 upon v minus 1 upon OP1 is the object distance. U is equal to n minus 1 into 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Since u is equal to minus infinity, v is equal to f, it will be 1 upon f is equal to n minus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon result. And the result is what? Result is 1 upon f is equal to, it will be v is equal to f, v is equal to f होगा तो n minus 1 into 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. It is the Lensmaker formula. It is the Lensmaker formula. Very simple. 1 upon f is equal to n minus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. 1 upon f is equal to n minus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. What we have done? Very easy. This is the concave mirror, concave lens. We consider AP1B, O is the objective space. First we got the virtual image. Again by considering the AP2B, we got the real image. By using the refraction formula, and refraction formula is, what is refraction formula? N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal to N2 minus N1 by R. We put these very values in those, and after that we add. By adding we got 1 upon f is equal to n minus 1 upon R1 1 upon R2. It's very simple to get the Lensmaker formula. Thanks a lot.